I'm going to show how you can create invoices with Melasoft Portal solution. First, you need to click Create Invoice button, and you have 5 different methods to create invoice. First, you can create it with AI. On that screen, you can use that sample prompt or different prompt to create your invoice, and it will be created by AI. And you can create your invoices with detailed. If you want to prepare a detailed invoice, you can select invoice type, and you can also select invoice code there, and you can fill all of these fields one by one, and you can create your detailed invoice. And you can also create with using some documents such as XRechnung, ZUGFeRD, PEPPOL, or PDF. These are valid formats for Germany. And you can create with an Excel table. You can download the sample Excel format there, and you can use that format as well. I will show you to create easy invoice today because it's simpler. You can select the invoice type. These are the valid formats for Germany. You can also create invoices for other countries. You can manage your invoice requirements in different countries as well. We select PEPPOL BIS, and we can select invoice types there. You need to fill the informations of your customer. You can also use the save templates there, and you need to enter invoice number, and you need to fill PEPPOL participant ID because it's a PEPPOL BIS format. Yeah, you can also fill these mandatory fields. From that side, we also need to fill these fields. We can select different types. We need to also enter tax, and total amount is calculated. We need to also fill the IBAN number, and we will click the create button, and our invoice is created successfully. You can review your create invoices from outbound invoice cockpit. Then we can select the created invoice, and we can view this invoice. We can send directly via email or PEPPOL there. We can view in different formats such as PDF and XML. Let me show you XML view as well. You can also copy download options. You can enter some comments there. Also select your invoice here and send it via PEPPOL or send it via email. As you see, creating invoices with Melasoft is that easy.